Learn how to create beautiful paper snowflakes in just a few simple steps. Whether you're using A4 or letter-size paper, this tutorial will show you how to transform plain sheets into stunning snowflakes that are perfect for winter decorations, holiday crafts, or just for fun. Take a rectangular piece of paper, such as printer paper in A4 or letter format. Fold the left edge of the paper to meet the top edge. Align it carefully and make a crease. Take a pair of scissors and cut off the extra rectangle on the right. Fold the triangle in half and make another crease. Fold the right side of the triangle. Flip it over and fold the paper again. Take a regular pencil and draw a pattern, following along with me. A little tip: press lightly with your pencil while sketching the design. If you make a mistake, it will be easier to erase with a rubber eraser. Cut the paper along the drawn pattern. If cutting the snowflake is tricky for you, there's a helpful tip at the end of this video. Unfold the paper. Look at the beautiful snowflake we've made. Smooth out the folds in the paper. You can even place something heavy on the snowflake for a while to flatten it better. After that, you can decorate a window or wall with this paper decoration by attaching the snowflake with tape. Or you can simply place the snowflake on your Christmas tree. Cutting tips. If cutting the pattern is difficult, here's a handy method. Open the folded paper and cut through just the top layer. Then fold the paper back into its original position and continue cutting through the remaining layers. So, how did it go? Were you able to make a snowflake? Let us know in the comments below the video.